Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Prime Career Coaching Academy Sheringal. Exercise 1.4, Mathematics class 9th, question number 6. Okay. दिल तमगे रकड़ी चे a is equal to 1 0 1 0 then find a cross a मतलब दा matrix दा खपल आंसर multiply कवल वाड़ी. Okay, so we will write this matrix for solution again. Okay, so a is equal to 1 0 1 0. Okay, then for multiplication, as you know that this matrix will multiply खपल आंसर बदा multiply की हाँ no संगा शो चे 1 0 1 0. Okay, and multiplied by 1 0 1 0. Now first of all you have to see the order whether this matrix is conformable or not. So definitely the number of columns is equal to the number of rows. Okay, so yes, this is conformable. So it means that a cross a is equal to, so first row first column 1 into 1 plus 1 into 0. Okay, first row second column 1 into 1 plus 1 into 0. Okay, second row first column, so 0 into 1 plus 0 into 0. Okay, second row second column, so 0 into 1 plus 0 into 0. Okay, just close the bracket. Okay, now a cross a is equal to, so 1 1s are 1 plus 1 0s are 0, 1 1s are 1 plus 1 0s are 0, 0 1s are 0 plus 0 0s are 0. Okay, 0 1s are 1 plus 0 0s are 0. Okay, so a cross a is equal to 1 of 0 sushi 1 shi, 1 of 0 sushi 1 shi, 0 0 0 shi, 1 of 0 1 shi. Okay, so it means that this is the multiplication of what of this matrix. This matrix chikam ma khpal answer sa khpal answer ma da multiply ko. Okay, no a cross a malum klo che de kami result ma sar sarage 1 0 1 1. Okay, so hele da che taso bada enjoy kare bharpur tariqe sara taso bade mane poshvi inshallah razu question number 7 ta bale video ki already da kami videos che shevri de links taso ra description ke shta pade list ko bada razi already da revise kigi da shan bada razi yo bol pase रेगुलर पर राजी बल वीडियो द कतो द पारा तासो पलंग बांधे क्लिक हो गई या दाखो बटन हुआ है नो डायरेक्ट तासो बल वीडियो तो आवड़े.